How many of us knows our values to perform in our actions? Being a student, being a teacher, and being a professional in any industry. I'm afraid that most of us need to have some time to rethink our values while working in our organizations. Let's take it to the industry level. What are the relevant human values required to implement quality in the organization? Scary, alarming, we don't know. Although research shows that the human values are important for the quality implementation in the organization, but still, organizations are struggling for implementation of quality because they are overlooking the importance of human values in their organization. Not only that, but also the identification which has been already, research shows that it's important in the real working environment to identify, so they are not doing it. So here comes the need of my research that shows and that focuses on the capturing of human values in a real working environment. Not only that, but also helping management to assess the practicing level of those human values in the organization, whether employees are working or not. How I did it? It's simple. As the essence of research shows that the identification of human values must be in a real working environment, so we did a literature review which followed by the survey in an industry among the manufacturing managers of Malaysian Productivity Corporation listed companies. And result shows that we found two high level of important techniques. One, storytelling, like we are helping to share the experiences among our employees. Very much normal and natural. Second, image tagging, like what we are doing nowadays on the daily basis on the Facebook. Maybe now we are doing it as well. Now, by utilizing these two techniques, we are able to identify the human values identification module of the software that capture the values in action. And then, to provide the assessment for the managers, we use the multi-rater assessment criteria, which obviously help managers to assess the people. All the software program developed through ASP.NET using C#, and the database was developed in Microsoft SQL Server. Later, we deployed a case study in the manufacturing organization to deploy and validate the tool. And interestingly, the result shows the positive response from the industry as high level of usability of this tool. So, a good news is that this tool is available for the companies to deploy it and use it and enhance eventually the quality implementation in the organization. Thank you.